The TI-83 calculator is a powerful tool and a must-have for students, educators, and professionals alike. This calculator can help you work more effectively and precisely, whether you're a math or science class worker or possibly in your career that demands sophisticated calculations. Beep, 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 beep. All right, let's do it. The TI-83 is the ideal calculator for anybody trying to optimize their workflow and move ahead in their studies or job. Thanks to its user-friendly design, configurable capabilities, and also a powerful collection of functions within. So if you want to improve your productivity and simplify your computations, the TI-83 is the calculator for you. Personally, as a student, the TI-83 calculator has proven to be a great aid in my studies. When I'm taking math tests, it's my go-to tool. The calculator contains a number of capabilities that make it simple to solve difficult issues. I just type in the calculation and let the calculator do the rest. Saves me a lot of time and effort since it allows me to concentrate on actually comprehending the principles underlying the problems that I'm trying to solve rather than getting mired down in the numbers and the formulas and all those types of things. Well, in essence, I'm going to say that the TI-83 has been a game changer for me in my math tests, and I would strongly suggest it to any student who wants to make their math and science studies simpler.